Hi guys and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we're back here once again with a brand new video, and this time around we have probably one of the most exciting news we have received in, I will say, a couple of years, and that is because just a few hours ago DJI has made official not only the arrival of the Inspire 3, but they had made official its release date, and we do now have an official release date for all of you guys, including not only the day but also the time. And in addition to all of that, we have the first actual teaser from DJI, and in today's video we're gonna be sharing it with you and talking about everything that you need to know about DJI's latest and greatest upcoming drone, the Inspire 3. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here. And if you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the brand new Inspire 3, the Air 3, and in case you guys have not seen it yet, the upcoming Mavic 3 Pro, you already know this is the place to come for all the latest updates and news. And also, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which will be quite exciting. And this is literally something that I want to cry about. I literally have tears in my eyes, and that is because after waiting over 5 years, it is official. The Inspire 3 will be releasing. And if you guys have been waiting for the Inspire 3, I feel you, and I know you're probably much more excited as I am, but I mean, I'm so excited for this brand new drone from DJI, because what they are about to launch is going to be groundbreaking. So today, DJI, on all of their social media accounts, including YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, released the following teaser. DJI Pro Inspiration arrives April 13th, 2023 at 9 a.m. Eastern Daytime. And right below we get our first teaser, and it looks like DJI really is not trying to hide what they're going to be releasing. They pretty much give it away completely. Here we have the brand new front end and brand new Zenmuse camera. It's going to be the Zenmuse X9 that is going to be found on this brand new Inspire 3. So ladies and gentlemen, in case you guys still had some questions about what drone this is going to be releasing, well, it is the Inspire 3. I can confirm it to you with 100% confidence. So this will be releasing next Thursday, and it's gonna be a pretty early release like usual with DJI. I'm pretty excited for this brand new release. And remember, we still do not know pretty much anything about this brand new Inspire 3. All we've seen so far and know are a couple of pictures here and there, but we're still missing everything on every single spec, flight time, camera specs, absolutely everything is still to be known. And not only that, but also the pricing, which will be a very important factor for this drone. So guys, if you want to be the first ones to be up to date about this, you know where to come, right here. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notification, because we are gonna be keeping you updated with the latest news regarding Inspire 3. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section down below. But with that being said, that is going to wrap up today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.